Hi guys, welcome to the very first lecture of this course. In this lecture, I'm gonna give you a little introduction about the HTML and the CSS. So first of all, what is the HTML? The HTML is just used for adding the data in our website, or it is just used to add the information in our website. Here you can see that this text, images, these links, all of this data is added into this BBC website by using the HTML. Here you can also view the HTML of this page by right click on it, and here you have to click view page source, and here is the HTML is open, and it also have the JavaScript, and here is the script, and this is the HTML. Here is the HTML, this is the jQuery, JavaScript, and here is this is the HTML and all the things. You can view the code of any website. And now here I'm gonna tell you these links, these images, all of these things are inserted by using the HTML. You have all of these videos in the websites, audios in the websites, maps are inserted by using the HTML. Or you have already see the forms in the website, so all of these the forms are created by using HTML. All of this text is inserted using the HTML. So here the whole thing is that HTML is just for use to make the page structure, and you can also say that HTML is used to make the structure of the site, and it is also used to insert the data in the site. And the second thing, that is the CSS. So why we use the CSS? Without the CSS, the HTML is nothing. Or you can say that the CSS is just used for to style the website. All of these colors, all of these arrangement, and all the things, all of these spaces arrangement, and this page is look beautiful due to the CSS. CSS is just for giving the style to the website, to the HTML code, to the data. So I hope you understand what is the CSS and HTML. And from the very next video, first of all, we will download the editor, we will create its file, and then we will learn the HTML, and then we will learn the CSS. And after that section, after the CSS section, we will build the 5 websites. And if you know the basics of the HTML and CSS, so you can directly learn the 5 websites section. You can directly jump to that section, and you can learn how to code the websites, 5 web development projects. But I will recommend you must need to watch these HTML and CSS lectures to clear your concept. So by clearing your concept, you can learn these 5 web development projects clearly. So if you have any problem in my course, so kindly add the discussion. I will help you as much as I can. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.